looking clear on the beach right now. But if you look a little bit more west towards our inland areas, it's looking like some moderate to heavy downpours. Now today we'll see some more scattered showers and storms later on this afternoon, but luckily nothing should turn severe. So today is a first alert weather day. So here's what you need to know as you head throughout the afternoon and evening hours for today. Strong storms are possible, some of which may turn severe. So that means gusty winds up to about 55 miles per hour, which could be damaging, as well as small hail and frequent lightning. Downpours by your area heading over the lake and Pahokee and Belle Glade, even Indiantown. You will be seeing more of this rain within the next probably about 10 to 15 minutes. The Weehawken Junction, still some frequent lightning and heavy torrential downpours near that area. So we're keeping a close eye on this. Lots of lightning, heavy downpours, and possibly some gusty winds. Let's zoom on in and track some of these for you. Over Lake Okeechobee, these are continuing to track east, so we could be seeing some more rain and storms over Pahokee, Belle Glade. Some are already starting to pop up. We got a lot of energy out there. How much rainfall did we see? It was about 1 to 2 inches in pockets, certain areas around Fort Pierce and Vero Beach. Some storms, just a line of them in the inland areas racing towards the East Coast. So the Treasure coastal areas, you guys will be seeing these storms very soon within the next 15 to 30 minutes or so. So here's what we mean when we say tropical wave. You can see it on our water vapor imagery. Look at this. You see all of the purples and whites and grays. That is just a moisture plume. Still keeping an eye on the tropics. It's looking nice and clear. Nothing is set to form within the next 3 to 5 days. So that's good news as we continue through this hurricane season. Tropical wave that we are monitoring, now called 96L. So it is a low pressure system. It's a weak low pressure system, but we do have those warm waters in the Gulf of Mexico, so that's acting as fuel for these showers and storms. This is not really expected to develop long term over the next 2 to 5 days, only about a 20 to 30% chance for this to develop according to the National Hurricane Center, so that is the good news. Nothing to worry about just yet. As far as the Atlantic, looking nice and clear out there, maybe some tropical waves, but nothing significant that we need to worry about as for right now. But now in Jupiter, clouds are starting to build in a little bit, not as sunny as we saw earlier, so we do have some storms headed that direction. And here's a live look into downtown West Palm Beach sky cam, looking very beautiful out there, sunny skies and overall calm conditions in the intercoastal and ocean waterways. Temperature though into the upper 80s, so a little bit cooler than what we have been seeing, but definitely still feeling sticky out there because with the dew point factored in and what it feels like on your skin, it's feeling like 100 degrees. Showers and storms will make their way towards the coastal areas, and some could be strong with some lightning, gusty winds, and definitely torrential downpours. Just across Omaha and Chicago into the triple digits, so 107 in Omaha, 104 in Chicago, even to the triple digits along the northeast in Washington. And forecast for tomorrow, if you're thinking about heading out to play for your Sunday, it's looking like a great day to go out early on in the morning and early afternoon hours. Sea surface temperatures looking very warm, about 85 degrees. So nice and warm to get into the water today. Stronger storms are possible, probably starting on the inland areas and maybe south, and then moving to the coastal areas later on this evening as we get more heat throughout the day. Happy Friday. Let's talk about the weekend because that's what everybody cares about, of course. If you're headed out on the beach or going on the boat, it's going to actually be a very nice weekend if you do head out early on in the morning and early afternoon hours. Here were the lows this morning. We were into the lower to upper 70s, around 73 in Stewart. So just to summarize for today, partly cloudy skies to start off, definitely hot and humid, high temperature of 91 degrees, but then those afternoon storms are something that we need to be careful of as we head throughout the day today. Or even greater, so it's on the extreme category, so your skin can burn in just a matter of minutes. So let's talk about the next 12 hours for you. We have temperatures sticking around the lower 90s around 1 o'clock. More rain chances start to pick up from 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock. The daytime heating, we'll start to see showers and storms. The rain chances starting to pick up to about 40%. Temperatures climbing into the lower 90s, triple-digit heat indices as well. Happy Sunday. If you're thinking about headed out to go for some brunch, it's actually going to be a beautiful day out there for it, but very hot and humid. So you might want to wear some loose fitted tops or a nice flowy dress, and definitely short sleeve because it's a sticky one out there. So starting off this through your Saturday, Sunday, your weekend looking a lot nicer, a lot drier, but also a lot hotter. Temperatures into the lower 90s, probably feeling like the triple digits. Here's your beach and boating forecast. Like I said, rip current risk is now updated to moderate, so that's something to be careful of. Chance for some inland showers and storms possible. And of course, the heat and humidity is going to stick around.